24-2. 24-2. I got eyes on the suspect, or well, target. 10-4. Is she white? And is she wearing a blue/dark green like shirt? Yep, sir. That's exactly what she's wearing. 10-4. You can go ahead and take the shot. Ensure to shoot her in the head. Does she have the dyed hair that kind of looks like her original coral brown hair? 24-2. It appears as if she does have the dyed hair you're talking about. If she does have the exact features you're describing, so do I take the shot or no? 10-4. I'd say yeah, you can take the shot. It's sure nobody's around to notice. 24-2, no one's around. So do I just take the shot or what? 10-4, take the shot. Alright. Lining up for the gunshot. I got her, but she's not dead. Shoot her again. Shoot her again. 24-2, I shot her in the head and she's now dead. 10-4, quickly remove the body before anyone notices. 24-2, body removed. 10-4, good work. We assassinated Monika today. That stupid pesky literature club president. Did a good, healthy job today. It's time to go back to my house. Avoid getting caught by the popo. Alright, let's go ahead and just... I forgot I need to buy a mattress. I don't have enough money though. I have a phone, so I guess that's better than nothing. Well, I guess I'll just wait. Monika got assassinated, so... Oh yeah, I think I should remove the evidence before I get caught. Well, I'm just gonna hide my gun. I'm just gonna delete my gun. Who cares? I have the deletion tool. So, yeah. I just heard a gunshot and I heard a tool gun. I think someone just got shot. Hold on, let me call 911 real quick. Gotta grab my phone. 911, what's your emergency? I was just walking down the street of Desert City, and I saw a guy assassinate Monika, the literature club president. Oh, shit. I guess we're gonna send some squad out there. I'm just gonna toss. Go grab. Someone call 911. Oh, I see the dead Monika. Yup. Let's go inspect. Oh, no, she's dead. Yup. Oh, no, yup, she is. She is. She's out. Oh, jeez. Oh, she is. Oh, oh, no. Well, guess I'm gonna have to, find out who did this. I think I'm gonna drive back over to the police station and talk to Johnson real quick. He's gonna need to be there, so I can very well talk to him. Oh, jeez, this is gonna suck. station. Oh no. That's not good. That's nothing just driving can fix. The engine isn't hydro-locked yet. Well, I guess it's not really a feature in this game since this isn't EMG Drive or whatnot. But obviously the engine ain't going hydro-lock like that. Some engine damage would be nice though. Like some form of damage. Didn't run over Monika's body, which was great. Time to go talk to Johnson real quick and some of the boys about the supposed assassination of Monika. That radio always annoys me. Oh hey, look who it is! Hey! Just grab this. Just gonna grab this. Just gonna grab this. Just gonna no, I'm just gonna delete it. Hey, look who it is! It's Boris! Oh no, it's bacon. Oh shit! I didn't mean to. Mistake. Dragon for bacon. Anyways, I heard about that Monika assassination that just occurred a few hours ago. It was tragic, to say the least. I know, right? Steels, what are you doing here? We're just here to support the Popo, I guess. Most of our forces got moved to everything land, so that's just great. But well, I don't really know what we are doing here, I guess. Well, it's quite a story to say. Yeah, my squad got knocked out in the Gorebox Bladderbox war, so that sucks. But yeah, anyways, we gotta find out who assassinated Monika. She's the club president. She's the president of the literature club, and she got assassinated. It was along with an L11. I heard bystanders say that some guy with green hair, green robot eyes, red shirt, red pants, blue gloves, white skin, long hair, and beard. He looks like me, but he's probably my, does bad things bacon, probably assassinated Monika. Definitely not does bad things guy. Totally not a reference to SML or anything. Totally not. But, yeah, I think it was does bad things bacon who assassinated Monika. He's nowhere to be found. He looks just like me, and he wears the exact same clothes I wear. So if we need to find him, I can just give him a call and tell him to come down to the desert bridge, and we can arrest him that way. Or we can go to his house and just do what regular police officers do, knock on his door and shit. Well, I don't know if that's a good idea or not, brother. Listen, the Steel Leaf, they're a lot more specificated, or however the hell you say that word, specificated for the certificated for that job that you're doing here. You take part in the Steel Leaf Department Force. So, well, us officers, we're regular officers and whatnot. We do officer things. I'm not too sure that doing that's a good idea. Does bad things, Bacon's gonna have to come here if he wants to get killed. No, we're killing him now. Do it, brother. Do what Bacon said. Bacon's our boss, after all. Yeah, I am. And I want you and your partner to go kill Does Bad Things Bacon. He's ruining my reputation. And I'm being threatened to get fired if I don't do normal police things. So, I'm gonna go kill him myself, if that's the thing I have to do to get my reputation back. So, it's gonna seem weird, but I'm gonna go kill him. But brother, you're a steel officer. You can't kill people. You only kill people in wars. Well, if it gets me fired, then it gets me fired. Working here at the Desert City Police Department sucks anyways, because there's no one to serve and protect here. They have a whole military and MP squad, while we're just regular police officers and Steel Leaf soldiers doing nothing but providing for an abandoned, run-down military base south of Desert City in a war town that isn't even enhanced. Like, come on! Who wants to live here? Nobody! There's houses, but they're for military personnel only. So, plus I only make $100 an hour, and that's trash. Most officers make more than that. Or at least I think so. I don't know. But man, $100 is a lot of money. You won't be sacrificing that just to kill some twin brother that's ruining your rep. Do you want your rep ruined, or do you want to get fired and arrested for murder? Well, come on. I can tell them that it was an assassination attempt on my brother, and that my brother didn't I could just lie my way out, you know? I don't need to do all this specificated work just to sophisticated, that's what I was looking for. Sophisticated work. Just to what? Get fired anyways? I don't want to be let go, you hear? I would rather get my rep ruined than be fired and arrested. But if I have to lie my way out and kill my twin brother, then that's exactly what I'm doing. Because in the end, I just want to get him killed, man. Well, I'm actually your boss, and I agree with you. My assistant boss was that dude in the blue shirt that threatened to fire you a few days ago. That guy with blue shirt, blue pants, always looks sassy, that guy. Oh! You're talking about Boris Johnson, that idiot. Ah, shit, that dude. Oh, fuck him. Well, I won't fire you. I'll just fire my assistant boss and hire a new one, I guess. So, you're perfectly okay to assassinate your brother, but keep a low profile and just make sure to not do that. Or you can, but try and be sneaky about it, alright? Whatever you say, boss. I'm gonna go assassinate him. Actually, I'm gonna leave my cop squad car here, and I'm just gonna go over to his house. He lives at that hotel by the cafe and bar and stuff, so let's just go kill him. Anyways, Well, I'll see you later, Bacon. See ya. I need my light muscle car. I need my Doge charger. A charger. Wellaport. My Dodge Narger. My hit Charger, yes. That's right, my hit Charger. I could just go camp. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll wait till tomorrow to assassinate. Oh, no one's looking at the bar. That's okay. I'm just gonna park my Charger in the middle of the road. No one's gonna hit it, right? No one's gonna hit my pristine 2010 Dodge Charger, whatever year it is. At this point, I don't care. It's just things, I guess. I'm gonna go in the bar and grab me a drink. Well, no, I'm just gonna go and go to sleep on the floor here. Night, guys. Alright. Time to kill those bad things, Bacon. Kill those bad things, Bacon. Yours is it. Play. Alright. Those bad things, Bacon. It's time to kill you. Oh, have I missed you. Bad things, Bacon. Come out, wherever you are. Who is that? Oh, Bacon, it's you. Oh, have I missed you too? Take this, Bacon. It could happen to you. Insure blocks. Hurricane insurance. Nukes for kids. Get them before your parents find out. Quality homes. Roblox realtors. There's never been a better time to buy. Breaking news, MK. Breaking news, MK. A girl by the name of Monika, the literature club president in Doki Doki, has been assassinated by Does Bad Things Bacon. Does Bad Things Bacon was assassinated by Bacon himself, so there's no need to worry. Another assassination attempt was performed on Sayori, Yuri, and Natsuki by the same person. Does Bad Things Bacon. The other 3 attempts were unsuccessful, and he got arrested but escaped 3 times. Does Bad Things Bacon was a convicted felon in Desert City, Gorebox, so don't worry, he's dead. He won't hurt you anymore. In other news, the hostage situation is occurring at the Roblotopia Bank, so expect the bank to be closed down for a few days as money is redelivered and printed. So yeah. In gang news, the Grove Street Families is the biggest gang. Like, I'm sure you all know that, and I know that myself, so we all know it. So there's no need to do that. But in other gang news, the LSPD, Los Santos Police Department, the LSPD crash, community resources for street hoodlums, community resources against street hoodlums. Sorry, against crash. Not sure, whatever. Community resources against street hoodlums. Alright. The leader of Crash, Officer Frank Tenpenny, has been arrested and assassinated by Bacon. Well, Bacon arrested him because he is a police officer, he's in the Steel Leaf Police Force in the DCPD, so the Desert City Police Department. The remastered version got nuked by the Chaos military, so yeah. In other news, everything's fine, there's no need to... The National Weather Service office in downtown Red Cliff City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Red Cliff County and northeastern Roblox land, southwestern Red Cliff County and northeastern Noobland, southeastern Brookhaven County and northeastern Noobland, southwestern Madison County and northeastern Noobland, southwestern Liberty County and northeastern Noobland, southwestern Mellon City County and northeastern Mellonland, southwestern Los Santos County and northeastern San Andreas, southwestern Los Santos County and northeastern San Andreas, southwestern San Fierro County and northeastern San Andreas, southwestern San Fierro County and northeastern San Andreas, southwestern Las Venturas County and northeastern San Andreas, southwestern northeastern Las Venturas County and northwestern San Andreas until 9:35 p.m. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was detected 5 miles south of Los Santos, moving east at 43 miles an hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, 43-mile-an-hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. Wind damage to roofs, mobile homes, and vehicles is expected. Hail damage to roofs and vehicles is expected. Downed power lines are also a danger. If you are caught out in a vehicle, mobile home, or the outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you are indoors, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows, or move to a basement. Avoid going outside at all times. Repeating, avoid going outside at all times. Remember, a tornado warning means that a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is in your area and it is imminent. Cloud-to-ground lightning is one of nature's biggest killers. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5.5 miles east of Los Santos, moving east at 43 miles an hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: 43-mile-an-hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. Remember, if you're in a vehicle, mobile home, or the outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you are indoors, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows, or move to an underground shelter. Downed power lines and cloud-to-ground lightning are also a danger. Boop! Update. A dangerous life-threatening tornado has formed in the watch area. Repeating. A dangerous and life-threatening tornado has formed in the watch area. This tornado is expected to have wind speeds of 155 miles an hour, and it is rated an EF4. Repeating. This tornado has suspected 155 mile an hour winds, and is expected to be an EF4 or EF5. This tornado is absolutely deadly and life-threatening. Repeating, this tornado is absolutely deadly and life-threatening. All tornado sirens in the listed counties have been sounded, so seek shelter immediately. Repeating, all tornado sirens in the area have been and the listed counties have sounded, so it is imminent that you seek shelter. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows, or move to an underground shelter now. Repeating, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, or go and avoid windows, or go to an underground shelter now. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. A dangerous and life-threatening tornado is formed in the watch area, and it is moving at speeds of up to 155 miles an hour, with sub-vortices of EF2 and EF3 ratings. This tornado is dangerous. Repeating, this tornado is dangerous. Move indoors now. Repeating, move indoors and stay indoors now. This is the life-threatening dangerous tornado. Source: storm spotters detected funnel cloud. Move indoors, cover all windows and doors, and just go inside and move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building or underground shelter and avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, vehicle, or the outdoors, immediately move to the closest substantial shelter or ditch and protect yourself from flying debris. If you're in a ditch, lie down flat on your stomach, cover your head with your hands, and brace. Repeating, if you are in a ditch, lie flat on your stomach, cover your head with your hands, and brace. If you're in a ditch, the tornado will go right over you. Do not go under overpasses or trees. Wind and loose objects can go under overpasses and can either suck you out or damage your vehicle. Do not go under trees, as trees are uprooted or could be struck by lightning. Go indoors now. Repeating, go indoors now, or underground now. Repeating, go indoors or underground now. This is a dangerous and life-threatening tornado. The tornado will strike the following areas. The tornado will strike Red Cliff City in 45 minutes. The tornado will strike Brookhaven in 55 minutes. The tornado will strike San Fierro and Las Venturas in an hour. The tornado will strike Noob City and Destructiveville in 1 hour and 45 minutes. This tornado will strike Goreville, Desert City, and Liberty City in 2 hours and 22 minutes. This tornado will strike all areas in Liberty, Noob, Roblox, Gorebox, Gore City, and Gorebox counties in 4 to 5 hours. If you are in any of these areas, seek shelter now. Repeating, if you're in any of these areas, seek shelter now. This tornado has already grown into an EF6. Repeating, this tornado has already grown into an EF6. This tornado is unlike any other. It is growing fast and it is moving fast. Seek shelter now. Repeating, seek shelter now. Weak structures and mobile homes will be absolutely destroyed. Repeating, Weak structures and mobile homes will be absolutely destroyed. Well-built structures will be severely damaged or utterly destroyed. Seek shelter now. Repeating. Seek shelter now. Avoid window. When you're seeking shelter in an interior room, avoid windows at all costs. Repeating. If you are in an interior room, make sure it's one that has 0 windows. Windows can be cracked by flying debris. Repeating. Windows can be cracked or broken by flying debris. Seek shelter now. Repeating. Seek shelter now. Okay, alright, that's just great. Okay, yup, we need to go downstairs and into a shelter. No, this is just great. Yup, yeah, this is just great. Where's an interior room, bathroom, closet? Anywhere safe? Hello? Maybe it's not in this side of the house. We absolutely need to seek shelter. Please tell me this room is safe. I'm doubting this room. This is a garage, exterior walls will not save you. Okay, this does not have any windows. Alright, we're good. At least this has a TV, so I can stay up to date. Regularly scheduled programming at the request of the National Weather Service Office, Roblox County Geological Survey, Roblox County Emergency Management, and the Desert City Police Department. At approximately 9:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The tornado warning that was issued is very dangerous. Also, the government has issued the police department has issued a shelter-in-place warning for the following areas. Brick County. All counties in the tornado warning and the tornado watch warning zones. Ten minutes late though. We interrupt regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details and information will follow. Boop! The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gore, Roblox, Minecraft, Teardown, BeamNG, Doki Doki Plus, and Joyland, Lala, and Talkie governments. At approximately 12:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, all the everything Canadians and everything is every person and everything are coming to evacuate everything and everyone from every place and absolutely everything. Due to this, evacuate. Just evacuate. This could be the end of the countries listed, and we may have to move on. But with your remaining time, all residents and everybody, go outside, do whatever you need to do, pray, and hope for the best. I'm getting that BMW though. That thing's fire. Just do everything you want. Really. Anything. Just do anything. Alright, time to go outside. At last. The outdoors. There's 14 bullets. There's 24 bullets. Alright. BMW, here I come. This is an E36. Or E46, maybe. No, this is a BMW. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna jump in some lava. I'm gonna commit the oof. Da da da. Lava, at last. We meet. Ugh. And with that, folks, that's the end of EAS scenarios for Gorebox, Roblox, and any other place. Only in private, though. The assassination of Monika has led to all kinds of disasters. Monika wasn't really assassinated, it was just one of her many copies. Monica's doing perfectly okay. Everyone's doing okay. Everything's in everything land, so. What do I know? And because of it, well, that's just it. I'm going to end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye.